Greetings, fourth graders. I have a mystery for you. In this bag, I have an object that ties into today's lesson. And you're going to have to see if you can figure out what it is. Our learning target is I can solve problems involving intervals of time. So, let's take a look here at the problem. So, lunch is 20 minutes every day in our classroom. Guided reading is 5 hours every day. How much longer is guided reading than lunch? So, one thing that I notice here is I notice that we have minutes and we have hours. So I need to make a decision here. What do I want to do? Do I want to put this into hours or minutes? Because it doesn't really tell me which one I have to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this into hours. And I'm going to think about, let's see, how could I do that? I know there's 60 minutes in an hour. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to do this. I know that we have 5 days in our classroom, so I'm just going to do this. So there's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and there's Friday. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group these by hours. So I see that there's 1 hour. So I know that guided reading is 5 hours. And I know that lunch is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So now I need to solve this, and it is a subtraction problem. But what I've noticed is I've got this 5 here, and I've got 1 hour, and I've got 20 there. So this is kind of a sticking point for me. So I wonder what I could do here. Well, I could think of it as what plus an hour 20 is going to get me to 5 hours. So I know that I add 40 to this, that gets me to an hour, so now I'd be at 2 hours. And then I know I need 3 more, so I know really that would be 3 hours and 40 minutes. So now I know that lunch is 3 hours 40 minutes. This is one way that you could solve this problem. I'm wondering if there's a different approach that could be done for this problem. See if you can find that and share that in group.